How to remove iPhone calendar virus. So let's get started with the tutorial. If your iPhone calendar is showing fake virus alerts, weird events or spam notification, don't worry. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Then scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. And once you tap on the app, all you have to do is look for the calendar app in there. Then tap on the calendar app. Inside calendar, you can simply tap on the accounts option available there. You can see the calendar accounts at the top. Tap on it. Now tap subscribed calendar. So this is my Gmail calendar. But if you have something that is suspicious one, then you can see tap on it and tap on the delete account and confirm it. That removes all the fake events instantly. Now force restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button plus volume up down and slide to power off and turn it back on. This refreshes the system and removes cached notifications. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.